Hey friends, if you wish to use ChatGPT to write emails, then please watch this video. Go to ChatGPT and make the prompt like this. Write an email to the manager of let's say SC Bank complaining against an employee. And now give this thing a semicolon and then give the context. The name of the employee, then give the colon, and then complete details of the case, and then your details. Okay, and then you can hit enter and it will start generating the email. I mean, instead of the name of the employee and your details and the complete details of the case, you have to write the actual details. Okay, or otherwise, it will also create a format, and then you can change it in the specific format. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.